In this video, I am gonna talk about how can you 5x your income in 2020. Is it even possible? Coming up. Alright, so here we are. In this video, I am talking about how can you 5x your income in 2020. Now, many people ask me, is it even possible, or is this some scam or some multi-level marketing nonsense? No, it's not multi-level marketing nonsense. It's not scam. Here is the deal. I actually myself 5x income 5 years ago. I went from 5K to 35K in 60 days. Now, if you ask me how did I do that, here's the deal. It was a combination of things. It wasn't just one thing. It wasn't just marketing. It wasn't just sales. It was actually the whole picture, different puzzle pieces. All right. So it's not something that happened overnight. It took me years to crack the code. Years. I mean years. It wasn't something that happened overnight. It's not something that happened without any work involved. But here's the deal. It can be done. It can be done because I myself experienced it. I know how to do that with other businesses because then I launched my other coaching business, and basically within a couple of weeks I made 5-figure. So it was 5-figure month within a short period of time. So I know it works, I know it can be done, and it's not just something that you do quickly without the blueprint. So if you have the blueprint, it can be done. Now, what is the blueprint? So here's the deal, guys. I am teaching what is the blueprint in my program. Now, before I talk about the program, I do want to actually invite you for a free webinar. There is a free webinar where I'm basically disclosing pillars, principles that you need to understand in order to make it happen. Again, these are the pillars that I'm showing you, disclosing for free to people who want to dig deeper. Now, the link is gonna be below. You can watch it and you can learn how I made it happen. Of course, it's 1 hour long webinar, so I'm not disclosing everything that I can do to make it happen with you, because obviously it cannot be taught in 1 hour. But here are the basics. Step number 1, you need to have the right mindset. And this is huge, 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 huge. Mindset is the foundation of your income. Again, let me repeat this. Mindset is foundation of your income. If you don't have the right money mindset or the right mindset around money, let me tell you, my dear, it's going to be very hard for you to make money. Here is why. Let me explain. Everything is energy. You are energy. This flower is energy. Money is energy. On subatomic level is energy. So if you want to create more of that energy, you need to have the right relationship with money. However, if you believe that money is, for example, root of all evil, or you believe that you are not worthy to receive more money, guess what? Your thoughts are energy. That kind of energy is not going to attract the energy of money. Period. Your subconscious mind will sabotage your money-making process. In other words, it's going to prevent you to make more money. And many times we live in this 3D reality, in 3D world, and we think that only what we see is true. And that's not true, because there are other dimensions and things we cannot hear and see, right? But they still do exist. And so you don't understand everything. Just because you cannot see doesn't mean it doesn't exist, right? Once you understand that you create with your thoughts and with your energy, you understand that the feelings that you have associated around the negative beliefs that is connected with money needs to go, especially if it's negative feeling. Now, what is the vibration let me ask you a question. What do you think is the vibration of your thoughts, your beliefs, if you believe that you are not worthy? It's a low vibrational state, it's a low frequency. That frequency is not going to attract money because money is vibrating on different frequency. You don't attract into your life what you want, but who you are. In other words, if you want to change your reality, including money, how much money you're making, you gotta change the frequency, your own frequency in your vibrational field. Once you change the frequency and you match that frequency with the frequency of desired reality, in this case you want to make, I don't know how much money, 20K a month, for example, boom, what's gonna happen? You're gonna collapse the timeline because time doesn't exist anyway. It's illusion. You're going to collapse the timeline, it's going to appear in your reality. It's not your job to figure out how. It's going to appear. There are different stories how people receive money from nowhere. It just appeared in their bank account, just like that, from nowhere. There are weird, funny stories how this can happen. If you believe. However, if you don't believe, if you think this is BS, if you think that I'm just like talking some nonsense here, again, know that this is your belief. It's your belief that you have around money. So first thing is to define your beliefs. What are my limiting beliefs around money? Simply write it down. Second, you need to replace them. You need to replace them with new beliefs. Beliefs that are more positive. Beliefs that are actually going to attract, that has the frequency of money. And third, you got to become the frequency of money. You got to become money. You got to vibrate money. So if you want to vibrate money, I want you to comment below, I am money. I am money. I want you to comment below, I am money. So as you are writing down below this video, I am money, you are affirming the new frequency. You are affirming the new frequency that you are becoming the frequency of money. So comment below, I am money. That's how you're going to attract more money. You have to become the frequency. So how do you become the frequency? One of them is affirmations. Write that down. You can write it down multiple times a day that I am attracting in present tense this much of money. You can even create affirmations. You can listen to these affirmations. You can use them, especially when you are in alpha state, when you're falling asleep or waking up in the morning. In other words, you have to hypnotize yourself. And once you do that, let me tell you, things are going to change in your life. Once you change the frequency of yourself, the way you vibrate, then you're going to open up your heart, your field is going to get bigger, electromagnetic field around your body is going to grow, then magic will happen. You're going to experience magic. And I don't care if it's with money or a different area of your life, but that's the point. All right, so if you like this video and you want to go further, you want to learn more, there is a free training that you can access, which is going to be below this video if you're watching me on YouTube. And if you are interested to become a member of my upcoming Genius Mastermind that is happening once a year with high-level entrepreneurs who are ready to 5x their income in 2020, you can fill out the application. The link is going to be below, or simply write below this video, comment, I am in, and I will be sending you more information. And stay tuned for the next video, because this is 3-part video series, how to have the best life in 2020 and how to have it all. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna talk about how can you make sure that you experience quantum leap in 2020 in every area of your life. Coming up. Thanks for watching.